Print email threads. Sync your email account with TaxDome to keep all your communication with clients in one place. Here, you won't need to use Gmail or a third-party app. You can also print email threads if you prefer to have them in a physical format. You can view all the emails received or sent from the client account's Email tab. To print an email, click on the three dots on the far right and then select Print. A preview window will appear, and as you can see here, it shows the print date, the account and email address to which it's related. Now, all you would need to do is click on the Print button at the bottom of this menu. You can also save this as a PDF instead of printing it by clicking on the Printer selection field and then choosing the Save as PDF option. On the screen, you can see what it'd look like.